in this video, I'll show you how to remove cart icon from header in Shopify. Let's get started. So right now, let's first view our store in order to see what we're looking or working with. You can see that I have my cart icon right here. So if I want to remove, what I can do is I can actually head over to my themes in Shopify, click on this three dot, click on this edit code, and then in here you can see all the code. What you can do is you can head over to theme.liquid, and then let's just head over and then Control F, and then search in here for body. Click on next in order to find it, and just look for the all body wherein you can see all of the things that you can see that is actually standalone. So you can actually look for this right here. So at the very bottom, you can see this body right here. So what we can do next is to just close it and then enter in here a space. Now that we have a space right here, we just need to head over to this link, which is on the pastebin.com/1lsnfket. Now you can see this remove cart icon code. What you can do is you can head over and then just copy it all. Once you have copied it, head over in here again to the coding, and then let's paste it right here. Make sure to paste it above the body. Once you've done that, head over and click on this save option. And then once you have saved that, head over again to the preview of your store and then refresh it. Now it will take some time to load, but as you can see, the cart icon has now been removed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.